1928 classic Yacht Euphemia II, heading into the fall. Days of varnishing and painting the outside are numbered at this point. Trying to get a few coats of varnish on the foredeck because I had two or three leaks in there. So I did a little Sikaflex repair on some of the seams, just spots repairs, and then I put one coat of varnish on now, and I will put at least one more, probably two or three more, and hopes that the varnish, which it did last year too, it will seal up the smaller little cracks. But you know, when the summertime comes, heat builds up and the varnish cracks in those spots again. But maybe extra couple of coats this fall will hold out for a year or so. Doesn't take much effort to do it. Porterford cedar on the deck, and just a quick sanding with some like 320 and 25% diluted thinned Epiphanes UV high gloss non-colored varnish, and it looks like I may have missed a spot. I did it with a brush, so I think I'm going to do it with a roller the next coat, and we'll see how it goes. But it's looking good, and I'm feeling like any leaks coming into the deck, and they were just minor, will be solved at this point. But it's looking good.